Hello! Today I have come with an amazing idea to make a mask according to your own choice, and that too without any stitching. You can make your own mask which matches your dress color and outfits. Here we are using fabric glue instead of needles and threads. I have taken a square piece of cloth and folded it twice. I'm placing an old mask for the measurement. Draw an outline with a chalk piece. Now cut along the lines. We got 4 pieces. Apply fabric glue on the curved side and stick the other piece symmetrically over it. Do the same with the other 2 pieces also. Let it dry well. Now, after 1 hour, we got it like stitched. Now take the fair side and apply the fabric glue over here. And stick the other piece over it symmetrically. Stick it well. Now apply glue here also. Stick it well. I'm just giving a small split here. It is not completely dried, that is why it is coming like this. Just fold it like this. Apply glue and fold. Do it on the 4 sides. You'll get like this. Now turn over the right side out. The only thing you have to be careful is give sufficient time for the glue to get dried. Now our mask is almost complete. Next step is to attach elastic strings on the both sides. Make sure that you use fabric glue itself because it is especially made for fabric itself. If you are using any other glues, it may go off while washing. I'm taking measurement for the elastic string from the old mask. Take a little bit longer. Double fold it and cut it. Now you got 2 strings. Insert the edges of the elastic string into the opening of the mask. Like this. Glue it and secure it. Do the same on this side also. Apply glue. Attach the string. Press it well and secure it. Now our mask is very strong and perfect. Friends, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Press bell icon also and select all so that you will get notifications when I upload new videos.